Hi, it's Nadia. This cake always brings a nostalgic warmth during wintertime, especially in the holiday season. To make it keto-friendly, fruit selection is mainly the berry family. All are dried berries, and very specifically, without added sugar. They are cranberry, bilberry, goldenberry, blueberry, raspberry, and strawberry. Choices of these berries can be varied by accessibility or your preference. Just have them weighed in total 90 to 100 grams, 3 to 3.5 ounces. Chop these dried berries into roughly even pieces. And to bring more richness to the cake, I have 25 grams, a quarter cup chopped pecans for the cake batter, 10 grams, 6 whole pecans, and 5 grams, 2 tablespoons of almond slices for decoration. Next, let's get into cooking all these dried berries. First, I have 85 grams, 6 tablespoons of butter. Turn on medium heat. Stir and let it melt down. 45 grams, 3 tablespoons of golden monk fruit sweetener. 15 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream or any dairy or non-dairy milk. Have them well combined and dissolved. I also add 60 milliliters, a quarter cup of strong black tea. This is the replacement of rum or brandy used in the traditional fruit cake, so this cake is also alcohol-free. Then add the dried berries in. Stir and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Turn off the heat. Add 15 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Take the pot away from the stove. My preference is the liquid consistency is a bit jammy. Stir and let it cool down to room temperature. The color is extremely vibrant and shiny, so beautiful. Next, 2 large eggs, room temperature. Have eggs evenly beaten. Add the eggs to the cool-down berry mixture. Stir and have them well combined. Be very careful, don't add eggs into hot berry mixture. It will be cooked. Add chopped pecans. Stir and combine. For the dry ingredients, I have 125 grams, 1.25 cup of almond flour, 15 grams, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 5 grams, half tablespoon of baking powder, 2 grams, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 gram, a quarter teaspoon of sea salt, and optional, 1 gram, a quarter teaspoon each of ground cinnamon, ground ginger, and ground nutmeg. Mix them all together. Mix the wet and the dry ingredients together. It smells so delicious. The cake batter is ready. Prepare a 6 or 7 inch springform pan, about 16 or 18 centimeters. I use a 1.5 US quart Dutch oven. Diameter is 16 centimeters, 1.3 liters capacity, lined with baking paper for easy demolding. Put the cake batter into the Dutch oven. Nicely spread and flatten the batter. It looks like the traditional fruitcake already. So exciting! Decorate the cake with sliced almonds. Add 6 whole pecans as a final touch. Any decoration you like to celebrate the holiday season. Preheat oven to 180 degrees centigrade, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake with the lid on for 45 minutes, and without lid on for another 5 minutes if a crispy top required. Total 45 to 50 minutes needed, and it's all done. Baking in a Dutch oven is truly a miracle. The heat retention is exceptional, making sure the cake is evenly and well baked. Try to be very patient. It takes 45 minutes to 1 hour to be completely cooled down. This cake is truly a keto sweet winter joy. Round-shaped cake shows a full circle of the year. One slice with some tea or coffee will light up your holiday feast. The cake is moist with many different berries and nuts. As a representation, I wish you an abundant and fruitful year, and always know that you are cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care.